In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking page in Zoho Bookings. Get ready to transform your scheduling process into a seamless experience, whether you're running a business or organizing a community event. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your Chrome browser and log in to your Zoho Bookings account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one on Zoho's official website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make navigation intuitive and efficient. Now, what you want to do is look for the option that says Create Booking Page. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the scheduling page you want to set up. Once you click on the Create Booking Page, you'll have the option to choose a template or start from scratch. Templates can be a great way to save time, especially if you're looking for a professional design with minimal effort. However, starting from scratch allows for maximum customization if you have a particular vision in mind. Don't worry if you're undecided, as both options offer flexibility with creative control. Next up is adding services, timings, and staff availability. This part is all about defining the scope of your bookings. Specify the services you offer, whether it's consultation, repair, or personal training sessions. Be sure to include precise timings to avoid overlaps. Clarity here is key. Assign availability slots for staff as well, remembering that accurate information ensures seamless bookings from your client's side. After setting up services and timings, it's time to customize the booking form and notifications. Here, you can adjust the details you require from your clients when they make a booking. The form should gather essential information needed for appointments, such as name, email, or specific requirements. In the notifications section, set up automated reminders and confirmation emails. This helps keep everyone in the loop and reduces no-shows significantly. Finally, you'll want to publish your page. Make sure to review all details before hitting that publish button. Once your booking page is live, you can share the link with clients or even integrate it on your website or social media platforms. This link becomes a powerful tool, enabling your clients to book appointments at their convenience. By following these steps, you've just created a streamlined and efficient booking page tailored to your needs. It's a simple process that saves you time and enhances client engagement by making your services more accessible. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions. Happy booking!